X, formerly known as Twitter, has introduced a setting that allows its ChatGPT-style AI called GROK to read users' posts and interactions for training purposes without any explicit consent. A user named EasyBigDown was the first to bring this issue to light, revealing that the platform had activated this setting by default without any prior announcement. Whether you actively engage with GROK or not, and whether your profile is public or private, the AI chatbot will continue to train and enhance its model using your data. Generative AI models are typically trained using machine learning techniques, which involve learning from vast amounts of raw and unstructured data sourced from the internet. This data can include books, articles, images, audio recordings, etc. After the initial training, models are fine-tuned for specific tasks. To make tasks more human-like, companies like X have started incorporating social media posts into their training data. Social media content is valuable as it allows models to learn quickly about human behavior and new trends. This issue arose because the earlier version of GROK 1 was trained solely on publicly available internet data. However, this time, X decided to enhance GROK's training by including all the interactions and posts from its platform, enabling this option for all users by default. Unfortunately, users were not informed about this change. Only after facing backlash from European regulators and privacy activists did X add an option to opt out. If you prefer not to have your data used for training GROK, follow these steps. On X, go to Settings and Privacy, then Privacy and Safety. On this right pane, scroll down to find the GROK section. Here, uncheck the box that allows your data to be shared. Additionally, consider deleting your conversation history. Now, going forward, I hope other companies deploying AI tools learn from this episode. The fact that opting out requires a manual change rather than being the default shows the tension between user privacy and the vast amounts of data required for training these AI models. What do you think about this move by X? Let me know in the comment section. Also, I hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.